A blood-stained history of Afghanistan's Islamic family. Afghanistan's history is woven with the threads of Islam, forming a tapestry stained with blood, resilience, and the complexities of faith and power. From the early days of conquest to the modern era of conflict and turmoil, the Islamic family of Afghanistan has witnessed triumphs and tragedies, shaping the nation's identity and destiny. ***1 The dawn of Islam in Afghanistan, 7th, 9th century. Islam first took root in Afghanistan during the Arab conquests of the 7th century. The region, then known as Khorasan, embraced Islam gradually, influenced by trade routes and Sufi missionaries. By the 9th century, Islam had become firmly entrenched, shaping Afghan culture, governance, and society. **2 The Ghaznavid and Grid empires, 10th, 12th century. The Ghaznavid and Grid dynasties rose to power in Afghanistan, establishing vast Islamic empires that stretched from Persia to the Indian subcontinent. These empires brought Islam to new heights of influence, fostering artistic, architectural, and intellectual achievements. *3 The Mongol invasion and its aftermath, 13th, 16th century. The Mongol invasion of Afghanistan in the 13th century wreaked havoc on the Islamic family, decimating cities and causing widespread suffering. Despite this, Islam endured, with the rise of the Timurid dynasty, bringing a brief period of stability and cultural renaissance to the region. *4 The Mughal and Safavid influence, 16th, 18th century. Afghanistan became a battleground for the Mughal and Safavid empires, both vying for control and spreading their respective brands of Islam. This period saw the rise of Pashtun tribal confederacies, shaping Afghanistan's social and political landscape for centuries to come. *5 The Durrani Empire and British colonialism, 18th, 19th century. Under Ahmad Shah Durrani, Afghanistan emerged as a unified Islamic state, resisting British colonial ambitions and maintaining its sovereignty. However, the 19th century brought renewed pressure from the British Empire, leading to the Anglo-Afghan Wars and a struggle for independence. *6 Modernization and Jihad, 20th century. The 20th century saw Afghanistan grappling with modernization efforts, political upheaval, and the rise of Islamic ideologies. The Soviet invasion in 1979 sparked a jihad, drawing fighters from across the Muslim world to defend Afghanistan's Islamic identity against foreign aggression. *7 Civil War and Taliban rule, 1990s, 2001. Following the Soviet withdrawal, Afghanistan descended into civil war, with various factions vying for power amidst chaos and instability. The Taliban, an Islamic fundamentalist group, emerged victorious, imposing strict interpretations of Islamic law and isolating Afghanistan from the international community. *8 War on Terror in the post-9/11 era, 2001, present. ***The 9/11 attacks prompted a U.S.-led invasion of Afghanistan, toppling the Taliban regime and sparking a protracted conflict. Despite efforts to establish democracy and stability, Afghanistan remains embroiled in violence, with the Islamic family fractured by sectarianism, insurgency, and foreign intervention. *9 Toward an uncertain future. As Afghanistan navigates the complexities of peace negotiations and political transition, the Islamic family faces an uncertain future. Challenges such as extremism, poverty, and regional rivalries continue to test Afghanistan's resilience, leaving its people to reconcile their faith with the realities of a fractured nation. Through the centuries, Afghanistan's Islamic family has endured triumphs and tribulations, shaping the nation's destiny and leaving a legacy that continues to resonate in the hearts and minds of its people. As Afghanistan stands at a crossroads, the blood-stained history of its Islamic journey serves as a reminder of the sacrifices made in the name of faith, freedom, and nationhood.